If you're looking for an easy beginner level accent wall for your bedroom, then this is not the video for you. Just keep going. I'm Brianne, mom to many, desert dweller, and reckless renovator. I sometimes nail it the first time. I often get in over my head, but I never regret. Fostering Design. Hello, welcome to Fostering Design with Brianne. Today's video is going to be my journey to install this DIY accent wall in my bedroom. As I was brainstorming ideas for this wall, I was taken back to my first experiences with interior design that all involved chevron. Does anyone remember the chevron era? In tribute to my chevron phase, I designed this wood tile wall. You want me to install a wall? That's totally cool. I can do that. You want me to talk to a camera? No. Not happening. P.S. This wall was so much harder than a video montage could capture. But I was committed, and I had to see it through to the end. Has there ever been a project that you started and you had to finish? Let me know below.